Hello everyone, this is Mark from Small Boss Company in China. Today I would like to introduce you our company for you. We started to produce MBBR media from 2004. Till now we have become #1 supplier for MBBR media in China. This is our MBBR media sample room. Yeah. The quality is very good. This is called K3. The diameter is 25 millimeter and the height is 10 millimeter. It is made of first grade virgin HDPE material. This type we call PE38. It's very popular in recirculating aquaculture system, grass system. Also, we have other types, different color. Yeah, you can see. We always provide the OEM service for the many Europe big company. Yeah. If you want to know more or need samples, we can send to you. Yeah. If you want to buy MBBR media in China, just choose Small Boss. Small Boss will be your best choice for the MBBR media in China. We can save lots of cost for you. Yeah. For the production capacity, we can produce thousands of cubic meter per day. So if you have the large order, we can ship the goods for you as soon as possible. Don't worry about it. Few factory can supply the large quantity for you, but for Small Boss, we can do that.